produce thing them, then I think the way we they grow na salon, like cassava, concho beans, rice, then are the of rice and wala rice, and boku other thing them don't go out of the site. Or I can say someday, but they're very expensive. So today we can street forget the views of Sierra Leoneans for no as to why what make them in there so we know they see they again or what make them there.
People that win are we are the problem. But me blame the government much because in any situation or any side they are the head more and then get for blame. So like why I blame the government? The government for them bring a platform wherein such things and they will get quick access to them. For example, government not get for able to employ everybody. We all know that. But how government they create the platform, the taxation, they get for low. But now one grade one truck for Comona upline Kaya. How many toll gates then are road? So any each toll gate where you reach. For say be non pay and I not get for pay and I know. You get for pay each over 500,000. Almost over 600,000. That forever you reach now free town. You get four side who side they pay. Now check say 600,000. 600 multiplied by 4. So how much the way they return back times 8 times multiplied by 4 again. That don't go 8 times 600 multiplied by 8. They give a lot of money. So like and inside that transportation get for depend on now on the goods the way in the produce or maybe way in the transport now they get for pulley money upper road network. I can remember as I say from Makeni to Kabbalah now the worst road ever I ever see within this freedom within this country. It be Meko before but right now you don't 12 pass I point. Yes, when they say portfolio and not to portfolio, they walk them 3-4 kilometers. You know they see Coltana here. Where we say be, and yanda na one of the best side where this country they benefit from. Where we say it talk about conso, say Kabbalah conso, any side go Kabbalah conso. Talk about them carrots. Now that side and they all them see how they come on. Both side they not care about all them side.
Some of them go there. Who side and they go take care. Like a very long distance. And some of these areas it's difficult for them even more to cargo there. And now when you look at Okada, for somebody they pay Okada for transport goods, they cost beaucoup money. And this don't make most of the local commodities they're very expensive. Depreciation of our economy, the currency. Now when you look at local currency, it don't depreciate too much. And where the money they go down, things and they're expensive. The money no value again. That don't make most of the goods don't go up. Because that farmer, he get for sell in goods for buy Maggi or for buy sugar. And in back, sugar they expensive, all them things they're expensive when I imported things them. So, apart them produce and then they depend for pay school fees, do everything. So all and the immigrant for think of say, these goods here I get. If I sell them cheap, I not go able to buy the necessary things where I need for buy for how they run the family, and that's a big problem. The depreciation of the economy, a big problem.
Government need for budget for agriculture. Every day we dey go school, every now they say agriculture na compulsory. But the government they budget for all the ministries for agriculture. I not say government they budget for agriculture because if they budget for agriculture, they need for all these things. You know what say this is a Ministry of Agriculture, then it's Sidona City, where more done the pay and salon more money, then you know they do agriculture. Now what you get at Ministry of Agriculture for?
Sierra Leoneans and get for say with regards to the thing that we produce locally in the country. For Slick TV, I'm